Stop scrolling. Imagine turning just for 700, less than the cost of your weekend dinner, into real profits on your phone. Sounds impossible? Millions in India are already trying it. But the truth about Olymp Trade is something nobody tells you. Today, I'm going to reveal it all. Hi, I'm a trader and I teach beginners how to earn safely on Olymp Trade. By the end of this video, you'll know how to start smart, avoid mistakes, and even grow your account step by step, without risking your life savings. And yes, I'll show you the safe way to join under my guidance. Olymp Trade is an online trading platform. You predict whether the price of a stock, currency, or commodity goes up or down. If you predict correctly, you make profit. If not, you lose your stake. Of course, there are risks you need to be aware of. 1. Trading randomly. If you trade without a plan, you can lose money very fast. Think before you click. Luck alone won't help. 2. Overtrading. Many beginners try to double their account in one trade. That's a huge mistake and leads to quick losses. 3. Fake signals and mentors. Don't trust Telegram groups or so-called gurus promising 100% profit. These are scams. Your money isn't safe there. 4. Emotional trading. Letting fear or greed control your trades is a trap. Staying calm and following a strategy is key. 5. Platform versus outside risks. Olymp Trade itself is safe and regulated, but scams exist outside it. Your success depends on knowledge, patience, and discipline, not luck. Now let's talk about money. If you start with R700 and trade carefully, you could make R3000 to R5000 in a few days. Beginners often dream of crores overnight. Don't do that. Think of trading like learning a new skill. For example, when you learn driving, you start with short trips before going on highways. Similarly, small trades at first grow your skill, then increase your profits. Here's the smartest way to begin your trading journey. Explore the platform first. Take your time to understand how trades work before using real money. 2. Focus on one method. Pick a single strategy and practice it until you master it, instead of juggling multiple approaches. 3. Start small. Invest only what won't hurt your budget if it's lost. 4. Keep your mind clear. Stay calm. Don't let emotions push you into risky trades. 5. Think for yourself. Avoid blindly following online tips or random signals. By following these steps, even absolute beginners can build confidence, learn faster, and grow their trading account safely. Here's an example. You deposit $1,000. You decide to risk only $100 per trade. You win 3 trades and lose 1. Your total profit is R200. Small but safe. Now you have R1200. You repeat this consistently. This is how skilled traders grow slowly and steadily. Remember, it's not luck and it's learning plus patience. Many beginners quit because they try, fail once, and give up. Don't be one of them. Olymp Trade is real, but success is earned with discipline and learning. You can be part of the small percentage who succeed if you take the right steps. Start small and follow guidance. My warning to you: don't chase overnight riches. Don't follow random signals. Don't trade with money you can't afford to lose. Start with the demo, master one simple strategy, and grow slowly. That's the safe way. If you're ready to start smart, click the official link in the description. Join under my guidance and avoid common mistakes that beginners make. Don't just watch others succeed. Take action and start your journey now. The first step is always the hardest, but it's also the most rewarding.
We're looking at a real-life example on the Asia Composite Index. We saw a strong signal that the market was going up, so we took a bold step and placed a buy order for INR 20,000. Now watch what happens. The market is moving just as we predicted, and our profit starts to climb. Every second counts. And with our strategy, we're seeing incredible results. In less than a minute, this is what happened. A total investment of just INR 40,000 turned into a profit of over INR 31,718. That's more than a 75% return on our investment. This isn't just about making money, it's about making smart decisions. It's about understanding the market and having the right tools to act quickly. Ready to learn how you can achieve results like this? Join our community and discover the power of strategic trading. Your financial future is in your hands. Start your journey today.